little progress, and I'll kind of go over that in a little bit. Right now, what I'm doing is the roof of this thing, it's got green stuff growing all over it. So I've gotten some soap mixture, and I'm going to scrub the top on it, and I'm starting my working way down where it doesn't look so bad in the driveway. Looking good. Alright. Most of the stuff knocked off of it the best I can. Stuff that's not in the paint. Kind of an update of what's been going on with the bus. Let me put this where I'm not shaking like crazy because it's frying hot. Anyway. You know, I'd started by soaking the engine with seafoam, spinning it around. Then I went ahead and put a gallon of high octane gas in the tank since it's been sitting for 11 years. I know that's probably not the best way to do it, but I wanted to see if I could get it up to temperature where I could do a compression check on it. So I did that, and then really put a lot of injection cleaner in there. It's pretty caustic. I would turn it over, get it to start just a little bit, and pull a little bit more through the system, a little bit more through the system, and at that point I'd let it sit for 2 or 3 days. And so then I started going from one side of the motor to the other, looking for things that weren't connected, things that had bad grounds. I didn't change any lines. The only thing I did change is there's a rubber elbow that's on the plenum for the fuel injection. I'm sure it's some type of air sensor or something for back pressure. But I went ahead and I went up to the parts store, and the only thing I could find that was even similar was off of a Chrysler PVC valve, and it was a perfect shape as far as the actual shape being an elbow and being rubber. So I put it on there, and it fit just fine. Then I just verified that all the vacuums were hooked up and pushed on real good, and put a fresh battery in it, and I'll show you what it did. So after I let it sit for a little bit, give it a couple pumps of gas. It's running, and I've been trying to let it idle long enough to actually get the hydraulic lifters to pump up, but I went ahead, put it in gear, it went forward, it went backwards, and the brakes are working on it. Of course, all of that will need to be upgraded, but at least lets me know that it's functioning. But I'm really shocked about the motor sitting for 11 years, and it is revving up and going good. Just need to get them hydraulic lifters to fully pump up, and then I've got a lot of exhaust leaks, so I've got to go through the exhaust on it, and that's kind of where I'm at right now. But I just wanted to give you guys an update. Things are going along pretty good for the old bus, so take it easy, and peace out. Hey guys, I was getting in here and pulled that center seat out, just see what the floor looked like, and man, from what I can see, it's not horrible bad. There is some bad places where you can see through it, but not as bad as a lot that I've seen. So I feel pretty good about that. So at least that's something, right?